Good morning, QCs. Is it
Well,
cruise day?
Not quite, but the
not
time
cruise
is
day.
here. All the planning,
Yes.
a week and a half worth of packing.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and then we had to take some stuff out of your luggage today. So, but we're on our way to Hawaii.
We are on our way to Hawaii. I can't
Yeah.
believe it. You've been a few times.
I've been to Oahu 3 times, and I'm looking forward to going to Maui.
Yeah.
So 2 days ago, we took our Azova PCR COVID test.
Look at the snow. All right, we're leaving you behind, snow. Bye. QZs, this man right here just said, where do you want to go get breakfast? Who knows me? Where do I get breakfast?
Well, that's where you get your coffee. You call coffee breakfast? I'm talking food. Gotta
Dunkin'.
get some food.
Sarah runs on Dunkin'. What you got? What you got?
I didn't get you a coffee.
What?
Nope.
What? That's okay. I made one at home.
We're gonna get
It's okay.
Hawaiian coffee.
Okay. What did you get?
I just got my normal breakfast bagel sandwich.
Where's your coffee?
Ham, egg, and cheese. This is about as coffee as I get.
Oh.
I only wish that this car had enough drink holders. There's nothing for me to put my drink in, so I'm gonna have to.
He's been hating on my new car
What
all
kind of car
morning.
is this anyway?
It's a beauty. It's a beauty. How's your breakfast sandwich?
I don't know,
Why?
because I'm driving.
Do you want me to eat it for you?
No, I'll figure out a way.
Welcome to the airport, airport, airport. Welcome to the airport, airport. What are we doing now? Park, 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 park. We're going indoors today because it's snowing. My dad's coming in for Florida and he is not going to be happy with this weather. Oh boy. Park, 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 park. Holy macaroni. Look at all the luggage we have to bring. But we do it for you guys. That suitcase right there is all camera equipment. Holy cow.
Unattended. Unattended baggage should be reported to TSA or airport security personnel immediately.
Hey. What are you doing?
Checking my email.
Why? We're on vacation.
We are?
Yeah,
We're still in Syracuse.
we're on vacation. No worky work.
Oh, well, now I'm shutting her down.
Yes, shut it down. We've made it to our hotel. We're at the Spring Hill Suites Marriott. Brad and Kimberly picked us up from the airport. And we're gonna go check in and then go get something to eat. So we're here with Brad and Kimberly, and we're at this mall type of place where they have a California pizza kitchen, which we're gonna eat for dinner. We got a little bit of a wait, so I'm gonna give you a little peek around the area because it's pretty cool. Good morning, QCs.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
We're going to the airport. We're in LA.
We're going to
And we're going to Hawaii.
We're going to Hawaii. Hawaii. We met Brad and Kim last night. Oh my God, amazing people. We had
Had a great
such
time.
a good time with them last night. So let's go. I'm so ready to get to Hawaii. I am so jet lagged already, but I don't care. Let's add 3 more hours onto that. Let's go.
All right.
Bye guys. Okay guys, we made it through security. This airport is beautiful. And we're gonna head out to get some breakfast here because Bob and I are hungry, and it's gonna be about 6 hours before we're back on land. So let's go get some breakfast. Okay, the farmer's market for breakfast it is. Let's go.
Okay guys, so we're boarding on our flight from LA to Maui. We're boarding now. Looking at the seat assignment, looks like it's going to not be that full of a flight, which is great. And as it looks right now, Sarah and I have a seat between us. Yeah. So it's going to be a long flight, but we're looking forward to finally getting to our destination and just enjoying the week. So we'll see you in Maui.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come.
Okay guys, we're off the plane. We're standing in line. We have to prove that we're vaccinated, or not vaccinated, but that we passed the Azova test, the PCR test. We have to show a QR code. They might want to see our return flight information. They might even want to see our reservations for where we're staying. So we're in line right now. I've been in line for about 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like right now. And there's a line behind us. Okay guys, we're almost to the end, maybe about 40 minutes in so far, but this is what we got to go through.
Dude, look at the line.
Yeah, long line.
Okay, so we just got off the little tram and now we are headed to get our rental car. We use National, so they're telling us if you're, what member are you, honey?
Executive?
You have to go down to the first floor.
I can't remember.
And we can just pick out our car. They'll tell us, okay, you can have any car in this row, and then we pick it out. But I think Bob already reserved.
We got our luggage.
Huh?
We forgot our luggage.
Oh shit! We forgot to get our luggage.
Well, let's get this and go around.
Can we do that?
National.
We forgot to get our luggage.
Oh, that's okay.
Where do
We
we?
can always circle back around. So once you...
Can we go? Oh, you need my Azova test?
I just need for him.
Just for him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Follow me this way.
Can I loop around so we can get our luggage?
she just
Yes,
said
I already
yes.
explained it.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
It's going to be the convertible, so it's going to be anything down the road to the right.
Once you make your decision, the keys are inside. We just ask that you guys leave your mask on until you leave the location.
Which one do we want? Kind of like that white one. What's the difference? They all look the same.
Remember, we gotta go, if we're gonna get bottled water and stuff,
I know.
it's like the type of things we'll figure it out. Okay, I need...
Oh, we got a Mustang. That's a Camaro. Oh, do you
Where's
think?
the... Oh, I want the Camaro.
Get the Camaro. Okay, come on. This looks bigger anyway, honey. Can you fit?
Oh, yeah. It's just, it can't open the door very much.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe.
Can you fit?
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go.
Better?
Sitting right on the floor, baby.
Okay. So we just got to the resort and I am just like, wow, already. Are you kidding? It's gorgeous. I'm losing Bob. He's going a little too fast for me. So because we booked through Verbo, we don't have to worry about checking in. The people that own our condo sent us a key code. And that's how we're going to get into our room. So here we go.